Hey everyone, it's Amy and Jesse here. We're talking with Laurie Failing, who is our sound technician for Savannah Sipping Society. Laurie, how did you get involved as the sound technician?
Well, I've got prior experience and I was asked.
Asked and answered. There you go. Pelican Player's all about volunteer work,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So the big question is, what can audience expect when it comes to sound?
Oh, lots of music and lots of surprises.
Surprises, okay. Care to expand a little bit on that?
No, they'll just have to come and find out.
All right, well, if you want to see what Laurie has up her sleeve, you need to come see Savannah Sipping Society at the end of April.